So hello everyone. Now we are going to learn about Python numbers. So let's make some notes. Python numbers. Python can contain all the real as well as complex numbers. Suppose there is a variable a containing 10 and b 10.101 and c contain a complex number 10 plus 10j. So if you're gonna print a type of both the variables of these three variables, type of a, then type of b, then type of c. C. Our a is of type int, b is of type float, and c is a complex number. Now I have a question. Suppose a is equals to 10 and you are incrementing it by 1. Will a point to the storage as it used to be before? I think no. So let's see this. Suppose a is initially pointing to the storage 10, or a is pointing to the storage 10. When you are saying a equals a plus 1, that means a plus 1 is 11. A plus 1 is 11. And you are saying you will assign this value back to a. That means now a will not point to this. It's going to point the new storage containing another integer 11. You can identify this by the unique number that a storage have. Like print here, first you print the ID of a, and again print the ID of a. Here you will see that both the numbers are different. That means after incrementing a, it is pointing to the storage having different ID number. Now Python uses spatial optimization. Suppose a equals 10 and b is also equals 10. Now what about the ID numbers? The print ID of a, print ID of b. So see, you can see that both of them are pointing to the same storage. That means if you want to use, if 100 of variables are going to use a value 10, instead of making copy of 10, they will use the same storage having the value 10. That means all the 100 numbers are going to point on that particular storage. So check it for the another number, take 10,000. But in this case it is not following. The Python optimization is for the numbers within the range -5 to 256, because this range, the number in these ranges are commonly used. That's why Python uses this optimization only for these numbers. The numbers beyond this, Python doesn't have any optimization. So that's just for Python number. Thank you.